Good morning, students. 7th class science, chapter number 11. We will read now topic heartbeat. In last topic, I have told you about the heart, and we know that our heart is pumping blood in our body continuously. It is pumping blood in our body. The walls of heart chambers are made up of involuntary muscles. Now, what are involuntary muscles? The muscles which are not working with our wish. They are working throughout the life, means with their own wish they are working. That muscle which are not under our control, that muscles are called involuntary muscles. Muscles of heart that are also involuntary muscles, they are working throughout our life. These muscles keep on working on their own and we have no control on them. The heart muscles expand means relax, and contract regularly. They are relaxing or contracting and continuously throughout the life. The rhythmic contraction followed by the expansion of heart muscles constitute a heartbeat. Underline this. This is the definition of the heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction followed by expansion of heart muscles. Our heart is continuously contracting, expanding, contracting, expanding. This is called a heartbeat. Since contraction and expansion of heart muscles is linked to the circulation of the blood, heart is contracting and expanding, expansion and contraction of heart muscles, this is linked with the blood circulation in our body. Hence, pumping of the blood by the heart can be heard as a regular thumping sound. Our heart pumping we can hear as a sound. What is thumping sound? Means which sound is producing a beat also. Beat type sound. These are called the heartbeats. Doctors listen these sounds by using the stethoscope. See, this is a stethoscope. These earpieces are doctors are putting in their ears, and these are keeping on our chest, on our heart, to listen the sound of our heartbeat. From the nature and the number of heartbeats in 1 minute, doctors can find out the condition of your heart. Means from by listen the heartbeat, or by finding the number of heartbeats in 1 minute, doctors can find the condition of the patient. What is the average heartbeat? The average heartbeat of an adult human is 70 to 72 per minute. Means in 1 minute our heart is beating 70 to 72 minutes. Heart rate or pulse rate, it depends on the body condition of the person. Means if person is healthy, person is adult, good health, then his or her heartbeat will be 70 to 72 per minute in 1 minute. Next is pulse and pulse rate. Pulse rate is also related with the heartbeat. Each time heart pumps the blood out, means blood is coming out from the heart, it pumps the blood out and it rushes through the arteries. Then where that blood is going from the heart, it is going into the arteries and it is producing a twitching movement or throbbing movement. Means it is beating strongly, that is called a pulse. Each heartbeat causes a pulse in the artery. Means every heartbeat is causing a pulse in our artery. The pulse can be felt at the various places in our body, like inner wrist. In our wrist also it can be felt, in our neck, in our temple. What is temple? It is at the side of the ear. Also we can feel the pulse. What is pulse rate now? The number of pulse beats per minute, that is called a pulse rate. What was heart rate? The number of heartbeat per minute, that was the heart rate. And pulse rate, the number of pulse beats per minute, that is the pulse rate. For a normal resting person, means if person is doing the rest, then his pulse rate will be 70 to 80 pulse beats per minute, means in 1 minute then his pulse rate will be 70 to 80 times. Pulse rate is measured by feeling the pulse at the inner wrist, means if you will keep your fingers here this way, then you can feel the pulse. Pulse rate increases with the physical exercise. When we are doing physical exercise, we know that our heartbeat will also becomes fast. Due to that, our heart will pumps the blood also fast. That's why our pulse rate will also increase if we will do the physical exercise. Thank you.